Hi, I'm Erica, and today I'm working on my October daily days 16 through 19. For day 16, I'm starting off with a beautiful day at the pumpkin patch. This was hands down the best place we have been to, and I wanted to include a lot of photos, so I am just going with a regular grid, but I'm going to add this funky element at the bottom. Once this dries, you'll be able to see it in action. But I filled the grid with all of my photos and left 2 open spots. And in one spot, I've made a little collage, both sides of this page, the ephemeras from Nelly and Clem. But I have this cute little bat, piece of ephemera, and title of where we went. When I flip this page over, you'll see that it's reversible, as I did just print out 2 copies. And for the bottom left-hand corner is where I will insert this square of acetate that I glued journaling on both sides of, and then attached little banner flags, and the colors are different to match the photos included on the page. But I thought it would be really cool to make the illusion as if the elements were kind of floating there, and you'll see that here in a second. For this day, we went to the magical rhododendron gardens, and apparently it was the best day to go because the trees up here in the Pacific Northwest were turning, and it was the perfect day to go. I mean, the colors were like Vermont status, and it was enclosed, so I felt really good about letting the kiddo roam around and have a blast. And she just looked like a cute little princess because she had dressed herself in her pink princess dress with a little unicorn hood coat, and it was so cute. She got lots of compliments from everybody else that went. And I'm just adding my day sticker here, and my little floating flag banner element here is coming into play, as you can see, and I thought it turned out pretty cute. So I'm excited to explore what other things I can make appear that are floating. For day 17, we had a crafty Zoom. My friend Leilani made her own Patreon, and I just backed this cut file off camera because, you know, backing cut files isn't the most scintillating, but that one was pretty easy. And then on the other side of the cut file, I am including this photo. I bought a galaxy projector for Kaya when she turned, for her birthday last year, and it is so magical. Right now her favorite color setting is this pink with purple and teal, and it just looks so spooky and magical. So I wanted to document it because it just makes her bedroom look so perfect for October. And the ephemera is from Nelly and Clem as well. It's from the same collection, and I just wanted to complement the colors but keep it simple. So I believe I'm just gluing down the stars, trimming off the edges here, and adding my day sticker at the bottom, and I'm going to call day 19 good. Apart from that, that is it. These days are just flying by, just trying to catch up on my documenting, and just cannot wait for Halloween. I'm feeling loads better. So here is the live action flip through. You can see that little acetate floating banner at the bottom, and that cut file that I used, I believe Fancy Pants, a little bit scary collection to back that with. That was just a random cut file that I found online. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to share what else I have up my sleeve in the coming days. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!